Wood furniture. Create your own statement of style. Wood furniture is something that soothes to the eye of spectator. Its classy and sober look catches hearts with grace. This furniture forms a statement for each type of home, varying from traditional to contemporary. Homes decorated with wood in traditional ways give them an old-world charm, whilst in contemporary homes, wooden furniture adds an elegant look. Wood's charm and environment-friendly nature creates its unique worth. How to create your own statement furniture with wood. Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Why should you choose it? Who else doesn't like attention? Yeah, every one of us strives to have it, and surely you want your home to be attractive too. If you are on this side, then choosing wooden furniture is your way out. Moreover, not just it provides a nicer look, but is durable and environmental friendly. Keeping wood furniture gives an antique look your home. Oak or pine? Are you confused? Are you confused whether to choose oak or pine wood furniture? Well, to make the correct choice, you must know about their nature. Both oak and pine wood are used to make furniture, and both are graceful. Although, oak wood is more costly than pine wood. Pine wood is lightweight and oak wood is heavy, which makes furniture made of oak wood heavy. Buying oak wood furniture would be more like an investment. In our view, choosing pine wood would be a feasible and ideal option.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.